Hello everyone, welcome to our first video on About Us. I'm Chaitali Goswami.
And I'm Lipi Banerjee. Today we will be talking about limitless choices, about us, about who we are, and what are our offerings. So, we are a team of two highly acclaimed individuals with varied experiences who have joined hands towards one vision of empowering people to achieve their dreams and achieve their desired outcomes. So, Limitless Choices will be focused on creating diverse platforms of various kinds that will be offering solutions on health, wealth, relations, and many, many more. Our major services would include life coaching, workshops, trainings, consultancy, and our vision, as you can see on the screen, is empower people to achieve their dreams and pursue success and gain happiness. And our mission on the bottom left-hand corner, it is to create a venture that would offer holistic solutions for health and wealth globally.
It is with immense pleasure I introduce Lipi Banerjee to all of you. She is an accomplished healer in her own right? And she loves to call herself a healing catalyst. She is an Ang Shastri in numerology, which is the highest remark that you can get. She's one of the most sought after numerologist, coach, and a consultant. She's a certified Reiki Grandmaster, autoimmune and cancer holistic well-being certified consultant, certified NLP master practitioner, a life coach, hypnotherapist, certified accountability, strategy and DISC assessment coach from Master University, Florida, advanced Vedantin and Gita graduate. With so much accolade, she goes on more. Apart from the above, she also helps people with their birth date and name alignment for maximum abundance in life. Right now, she is pursuing her doctorate in numerology and doctorate in metaphysical sciences to cater to more people and help in their healing journey. This is Lipi Banerjee for you.
Thank you, Chaitali. And now I'll be talking about Chaitali Goswami. So she is an accomplished hospital information consultant, and Chaitali has been a leader in the US healthcare industry for nearly 20 years now, with vast experience in operations and training. During her corporate stint, Chaitali gained expertise in setting up and scaling company growth. Her expertise in the corporate world circles around process excellence, training, and operations. An internationally renowned and sought after trainer in medical coding, she has expanded her wings to be a certified Six Sigma Green Belt consultant, certified coding specialist from HIMA USA, certified professional coder from AAPC USA, certified NLP master practitioner, certified NLP trainer, life coach, and hypnotist. She is currently pursuing doctorate in human resources and development with NLP-based leadership behavioral solutions for effective and progressive people management. Wow.
Thank you so much. With that, I wanted to talk about our different workshops and webinars that we have in offer for you. Our big ticket webinar is on Empower You, which, as the word suggests, it is about understanding and acknowledging your limitations, understanding the causes of your limitation, and then eradicating those limitations with varied self-help tools that we have to offer you during this program. Other than Empower You, we are also coming up with workshops on procrastination, burnout, time management, workaholism, DISC analysis, money mastery, numerology and Reiki, and many more. When we are doing our big tickets, there is a promise from our side that there will be a signature analysis which will be offered with each of our big ticket courses, be it through our workshop or our trainings.
And now our consultancy services. It is a basket full of services. We do breakthrough coaching, coaching through numerology, coaching through astrology, risk assessment and coaching, relationship coaching, coaching for children, coaching for better result in studies, coaching for working professionals, coaching for building self-confidence, coaching for eradicating phobias, goal-setting coaching, autoimmune, cancer, weight loss and skincare coaching, spiritual coaching, and in the process, all these services, of course, heals you, heals everyone. So, healing you. Thank you.
Our trainings will majorly include our trainings in NLP. We would be certifying you with different kind of certification programs that we have within NLP, which is Associate Practitioner of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP Practitioner Certification Course, NLP Master Practitioner Certification Course. Numerology, there are plethora of numerology subdivisions where you can get our training and get certified and start your alternate career, which is Chaldean, Pythagorean, Loshu Grid, predictive numerology. Within astrology also, you can get certified from us on Vedic astrology and Bhrigu Nandinadi. You can also get certified from us on tarot reading, Rider-Waite, Osho Zen, and Lenormand. You can get certified in Vastu on the areas of Vedic and Astro Vastu. In medical coding, you can get training for getting certified in AAPC with CPC training, CIC training, or COC training. And for AHIMA certifications, you will be trained to get certified in CCS. Apart from that, we are professionals in getting you certified in surgery coding for facility, in patient coding, and also emergency medicine coding. So we invite you all to be with us, to contact us, and get enriched with all of our services as required. Thank you so much. Signing off, Chaitali Goswami
and Lipi Banerjee. Thank you so much.